Transforming Lecturers for Evolving Education, Addressing the Knowledge and Skills Gap in Education 5.0 Era. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Education 5.0 reaffirms the primacy of universities, polytechnics, teachers' colleges and industrial training colleges in economic growth, technological transfer and generation of new knowledge. The paper examines the knowledge and skills gap among lecturers in the context of Education 5.0, an era defined by its emphasis on the integration of teaching, research, community service, innovation and industrialization. The study argues that without targeted professional development and support, lecturers may struggle to meet the expectations of a modernized curriculum. Through a synthesis of literature and practical insights, the study proposes a framework for transforming lecturer competencies that aligns with the goals of Education 5.0. The framework explores strategic interventions, including continuous professional development programs, pedagogical innovation, and technological integration, which enhance lecturer proficiency. Best practices from higher teacher education institutions illustrate effective transformation strategies, ensuring quality teacher preparedness for 21st century learning. Through an examination of the current educational reforms and the associated challenges faced by lecturers, this chapter sets the stage for a deeper understanding of the transformation required within teacher education in Zimbabwe. In conclusion, the Education 5.0 era presents transformative opportunities for the higher education sector, driven by the 5 tenets of teaching, research, community engagement, innovation and industrialization. Introduction. Education is changing to meet the needs of today's fast-moving, technology-driven world. The Education 5.0 philosophy is at the heart of this change, focusing on innovation, entrepreneurship, problem-solving, and creativity instead of just memorizing facts. It aims to prepare students with the skills they need to succeed in modern society and the future workforce. This approach highlights the important role that universities, colleges, and training institutions play in driving economic growth and generating new knowledge. However, many lecturers still rely on old teaching methods that no longer meet the demands of modern learners. As a result, students may not be fully engaged or prepared for real-world challenges. To keep up, lecturers need to upgrade their skills, rethink how they teach, and embrace technology and modern teaching methods. Professional development and ongoing training for lecturers are essential to close this knowledge and skills gap. By transforming how lecturers teach and interact with students and communities, we can improve education quality and make learning more effective and meaningful. This chapter explores how investing in lecturer development is key to making Education 5.0 a success. Conclusion. Education 5.0 brings big changes to higher education by focusing on teaching, research, community work, innovation, and helping industries grow. Lecturers now have more responsibilities. They're not just teachers but also researchers, innovators, and community leaders. To keep up, they need new skills and ways of teaching. However, many lecturers aren't fully prepared for these changes. To fix this, institutions must support them through ongoing training, modern teaching methods, and new tools. This abstract highlights the need for transforming how lecturers are trained so they can meet the demands of Education 5.0 and better prepare future generations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.